Hello friends, this video sequence and series part 9 is brought to you by examfear.com. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched videos part 1 to part 8. Now we'll understand arithmetic mean is a new concept, so please be attention. So we have been given two numbers a and b. That means in that case we can insert a number a between them so that a, small a, capital A and b are also in AP. So such number is called arithmetic mean. So we are told that we have two number a and this is, let's suppose, a plus d. So both are in AP. Now we can insert a number x such that all these numbers are in AP. So this will be something a plus d by 2. So you insert a plus d by 2, what you get is a plus d by 2 and a plus d, all this number AP with a, now the d will change, d will become d by 2. And to get this number you do nothing but, for example, you have a and b and you are supposed to find x, where a and b are in AP and you want to find the x, so the whole thing is in AP, then x is nothing plus a plus b by 2. From our last example also we can see that x is equal to a plus d, first and last term, by 2, that is a plus d by 2. So, and this is called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean also means the mean of two numbers, and if we assume that both are in AP, then this is called arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is nothing but if we are given two numbers, we take the mean of that number, that becomes arithmetic mean. Also, it also means that if a and b are in AP, and arithmetic mean whatever you get, for example, a and b are in AP, and the arithmetic mean of AB is ABM, let's suppose. So whatever you get, if you take these three numbers will also be AP. As you observe, arithmetic mean between two numbers a and b is nothing but. We'll take some examples of arithmetic mean. So here we are told that we have to insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that the resulting sequence is arithmetic rotation. For example, the first number is 3 and second is last is 24. We are supposed to insert 6 numbers. So let's insert A1, A2, this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Let's assume that we are inserting these 6 numbers between A and B such that the whole thing is AP. Now if this whole sequence is AP, we observe that A is equal to 3. That is clear. What is the value of n? N is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to 8. Correct. This is what? This is T8. So we know that T of 8 is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Correct. Or T of 8 is 24. This is nothing but A is equal to 3, we have proved, plus N is equal to 8 minus 1 into D. And this is nothing but 3 plus 7 D. This is D. So we have 7D is nothing but 24 minus 3. And this is nothing but 21. Or D is 21 by 7 is equal to 3. So now we have D. D is equal to 3. So we'll put D is equal to 3 here. So we have A and D. So we can find all the terms. For example, A1 is nothing but T2. This is T1, this is T2. T2. A1 is nothing but second term. And this is A plus 2 minus 1D. That is A plus D. And that is 3 plus 3. That is 6. Similarly, A2 is nothing but T3. This is T3. T3 is nothing but A plus 3 minus 1D, and that is nothing but A plus 2D, and that is 3 plus 2 into 3, that is 9. Similarly, A4, A3. A3 is nothing but fourth term. Fourth term is T4, and this is A plus 4 minus 1D, and this is A plus 3D, and this is 3 plus 3 into D, that is 3, that is 12. Similarly, we will find A4. A4 is nothing but fifth term T5, and fifth term is divided by A plus 5 minus 1 D, that is A plus 4D. And if you put the value of A and D, this becomes A plus 4 into 3, and that comes out to be 15. Similarly, A5 is nothing but sixth term, and that is A plus 6 minus 1 D, that is A plus 5D, and this is 3 plus 5 into 3, that is 18. Similarly, A6 is nothing but seventh term, and this is A plus 7 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 60, and that is 3 plus 6. So this becomes 3 plus 6 into 3, that is 18 plus 3, that is 21. So we have got all these terms. A1 is equal to 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So we have all this term A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Right? Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.